Blessed day to all of us, and let's glorify God today. Have you ever been alone in your room and surrounded by silence? And your heart feels so heavy. You smiled outside, but deep inside, you're sad and confused. Many people feels like this too. Even the strong believer does. So, when you feel that nobody is there for you today to care, remember this passage in Psalm 34, verse 18. It says, "The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and save those who are crushed in spirit." Here it is said that God is there in your loneliness. He is always with you. So instead of listening to your sadness, why not start talking to Him? Tell Him about your fears. Tell Him about your tears and disappointment. Because when you pray, heaven is listening. 1 Peter 5 verse 7, it is said, "Cast all your anxiety on Him because He cares for you." Your pain is not a burden to God. He wants to carry it for you. So, dear brothers and sisters, when you worship or thank God, your spirit becomes lighter. Why? Because praises invites peace, and praises drives away heaviness. Isaiah 26 verse 3, it is said, "You will keep in perfect peace those whose mind are steadfast because they trust in you." So, if you are alone right now, don't think that you are forgotten, because God sees you, God hears you, and God is holding you. The season of sadness, it will not last forever, because joy is coming. It is said in Psalm 30 verse 5, "Weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning." I hope this lift our spirit, because we all know now that we are not alone and God is with us. Thank you for listening, and to God be the glory.